Imagine you're sitting in an interview at Amazon. The stakes are high, and the interviewer asks you this exact puzzle. 100 people share a pie. Person 1 takes 1% of the pie. Person 2 takes 2% of the remaining pie. Person 3 takes 3% of the remainder, and so on. So, who walks away with the biggest slice? Most people guess the first person, because they get to the pie first. Or maybe they guess someone right in the middle. Almost everyone agrees that the 100th person gets almost nothing. But to find the real winner, we have to look at this counterintuitive logic puzzle that doesn't actually require a calculator. Today, we're going to solve it step by step, figure out the exact mathematical formula, and see how this actually applies to your real life. When determining the size of a slice, there are two competing forces at play: the percentage, which increases with each person, and the leftover pie, which shrinks every time someone takes a slice. We want to find the exact tipping point where the pie has shrunk so much that taking a higher percentage no longer gives you a bigger slice. We can do this using simple algebra. Let's compare two people in line, person n and the next person, person n plus 1. Person n gets to take n% of whatever pie is available. After they take their slice, the pie shrinks. This means only 100 minus n% of the pie is left over for the next person. So person n plus 1 gets to take n plus 1%, but they are taking it from that smaller leftover pie. To find the peak, we set up a simple inequality to see exactly when person n plus 1 slice becomes smaller than person n slice. When you simplify the algebra, you are left with a beautiful, simple rule. 100 is less than n times n plus 1. The moment this equation becomes true is the exact moment the slices start shrinking. Let's test the numbers. At person 8, 8 times 9 equals 72. 72 is not greater than 100. The slices are still growing. 9 times 10 equals 90. 90 is not greater than 100. Person 10 slice is still bigger than person 9's. At person 10, 10 times 11 equals 110. Boom! 110 is greater than 100. Because the math flips exactly at n equals 10, it proves mathematically that person 11 slice will be smaller than person 10 slice. The slice sizes peak exactly at this point, making the 10th person the winner. So why is a tech giant like Amazon asking about a shrinking pie? It's a test of your problem-solving framework. When faced with a complex 100-step problem, most people panic and try to calculate every single slice in their head. A top-tier candidate steps back and looks for the pattern. They realize it's just a balance between two simple forces, and they look for that mathematical tipping point. Interviewers want to see if you can take a messy, compounding problem, simplify it into a basic rule, and communicate your thought process clearly. This puzzle also perfectly illustrates a critical real-world concept: the Law of Diminishing Returns. At work or in your studies, you are constantly dealing with shrinking pies, whether it's market share, your budget, or your own mental energy. Just like the pie puzzle, if you increase your effort, you might assume you're getting more value. But because your resources are shrinking, your actual return eventually gets smaller. The 10th person represents the point of maximum optimization. You need to know when you've hit your 10th person. It's the exact sweet spot where pushing harder or spending more time actually starts yielding worse results. Knowing how to find that peak efficiency makes you incredibly valuable. So the next time you are splitting a pie, make sure you're 10th in line. If you want to master more mental models, interview puzzles, and business strategies, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below if the math equation made sense to you. See you in the next one.